Hello there, grade 9 and 10 math class. My name is Mike Carlson. I'm going to be your teacher. If I haven't met you yet, I'm sad that I haven't met you. For those that have met me, I'm looking forward to working with you this year. This is just going to be a recap video for those that have been in class. And if you haven't been for a while, this is just to kind of say hello, introduce myself. I'm going to be your teacher for grade 9 and 10 mathematics here at Kapapa Machakwe. So I'll just kind of get right into it. So math this year is going to run a little different because of COVID, and you can see my mask here. I'm just in a back room making sure that things don't cross-contaminate. So math this year is going to run, and every day you're going to be responsible for up to 4 things, but for sure 3 things every day. So the first thing that you do every single day is a 10-question quiz. So here's what this looks like. It's going to be a picture that I post on a day, and I'm going to ask you to draw out or write out the solutions to those 10 questions. It's going to start pretty easy. And then you're going to send in those questions to me. Now, when you do it online, you can take a picture of it and write it on a piece of paper and then send me that picture. You can email me. My email is all over. You can also, if you really want to, like post in the Google thread below the questions, whatever works for you. Ideally, emailing me the picture is the best. And that's going to just happen every day. So you might be wondering, like, okay, with these 10-question quizzes, as I'm working on them, where do I find solutions? Well, there's going to be one solutions video that I'll make where I go through in detail all of the answers to the questions. And because the questions are so similar, the numbers change, but the concepts are all the same. So I'm going to say something like see solutions video 1 for this. And after I post this video, you'll see the solutions video that I'm going to make as well. So if you got any questions, you go back there, you watch the solutions video, you practice through it. And if you're still having issues, then reach out to me, text me, call me, email me, whatever works for you. And then we're going to figure out how to get you like understanding these kinds of questions. So these 10 basic questions are going to happen every single day. So that's the 10-question quiz, or 10QQ as I abbreviate it. So that happens every day. Now, also what's going to start happening is we're going to get financial literacy questions. I'm going to try to post something where you learn some sort of financial skill so that that's useful for the rest of your life. We all need to interact with money for the rest of the time, so you're going to have that. And then there's going to be probably like a Google quiz going with that, so it'll just be answer a couple questions, work through something like multiple choice. Yeah, so that'll be the second part. And then the third part is Khan Academy. So if you haven't already known about it, Khan Academy, Khan is how you spell it. It does online videos that trains you and teaches you how to do math. I'm going to assign you a bunch of videos. We're going to do those online. Even if you're in person, right, this is all stuff that you're still doing on your computer, on your phone, so that it's really easy and you can go back and forth in case we all have to go home and learn online, right? So this is just streamlining the online experience. So Khan Academy, I'm going to assign each person different sets of videos and questions to answer. If you do them, then I'll give you more. And by the end of the year here, we should have you having done, dozens, if not like 100 or 200, like Khan Academy, like videos and questions and answers, to get you caught up if you were behind, or get you through grade 9 or 10 math, whatever level you've signed up for here. So that's the third thing. And then the other thing that I want to tell you about is there's 2 things. Math walks. That'll be a thing moving forward. That'll probably be in a couple weeks. We'll try our first one. Even if you're at home, you can go out and it'll be broad-based questions like, how would you measure the tallest tree on your street, the height of it, using triangles? Something like that. And based on what we know, we can problem solve, we can figure that out, but it's real life. It's like you going outside and interacting with the world and figuring out how math works around you. And for those of you that might be really like kind of feeling as though you want more challenge, you might want to move faster and run faster in math. There's going to be math contests. So that'll be on an individual basis. I'm going to chat with you. We're going to see what level you're at. And then if you actually want to write the contests, that'll be kind of bonus marks. So as you're doing the other work and you really want to do these extra like contests and bonus works, then any marks that you get there will just like increase your grade overall. So if you're worried about like not doing so well and you want to pump up your grade, do the math contests, or if you're just kind of getting bored and want more challenge in math, that'll be an option for you. So those are the 5 things, of which 3, right? The 10-question quiz every single day, whether it's online math, whether it's in person, you're doing 10 questions. That'll be pictured every day. And then there's also the financial math that should happen every day. That'll start either today or tomorrow, I'm guessing. And then also Khan Academy. And so those 3 things will get everyone through. If you're doing those things every day, I guarantee you're going to pass math, and we'll get your credit this year. I'm looking forward to teaching you. Hope this wasn't too long. Again, like, welcome to the class. You got any issues, just reach out. I'd love to hear from you. So thanks very much.